are a small person. How you live your life, whatever you are, it doesn't matter. You are short, tall, you can't speak. If you are mentally strong, you can do whatever you want. My name is Syed Omair. I belong to a small village near Texla. I was born in 1986. So I am the shortest person in Pakistan. I have 33 inches height. Facing so many issues, rejections from school, colleges, also ignorance from society. I found a teacher. He continuously 10 years came to my home and gave me own tuitions. So after that I my 10th class, I continue my education privately. Then I completed my BSc. Last 5 years I am working in IT field as a writer, as a graphic designer. I am a motivational speaker also. It's an honor for me. Recently I did deliver a motivational speech at German embassy at the German National Day.
Friend of mine, and this is Syed Omair, who is sitting here. There's a few behind, maybe you cannot see.
I am writing a book on my own life, and inshallah will be soon on published. It's a different kind of reactions. Some are amazing and some are taunting. Oh, you are a small person. How you live your life. So some are speaking a bad words, some are normal, but now it's really amazing. When I achieve something, I travel all over Pakistan, I give my speeches on an international level, but my village people and all over. Now people are proud of me, give me so much appreciation, love.